Hello there, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a good old individual crochet install of some beautiful locks from Amazon. Like, these are like the most beautiful locks I've seen in a while. Like, they're really cute, more like the Mermaid Locs. I just really love the texture of these locks. They're from Amazon. It's in an ombre 30 kind of color. Like, you see how hot that color is? It's really fine. But then of course with Amazon Air there's always some pros and some cons. The one con with this Air, as beautiful as it is that that loop, good lord, it is kind of tight, so pulling the air through was almost a nightmare. But then in all, I still love the style. This is some Air I would wear on my head. Now sorry I do not have the link to this Air, but then if I find the link, I mean, she did send the link to me when she was buying it. I will try to look for it wherever it is, and then if I find a link I'll just put that in the description box of this video. And do enjoy the video as we get started. Now I really could have cut out this part of me struggling with the Air, but I really wanted to show you how hard it was to install this Air. I told you no lies when I told you that the knob, I mean the loop, was so small, and then pulling the latch hook through was just so hard. And even when I was able to get the knot, pulling the Air through, now notice I did not braid that Air with the extensions. It's just like Air braided, so the braids are kind of small still, they're slim, but then still pulling them through the lock was so hard. Even for the Air, the fact that this Air is so beautiful, I would have said it's a total no, but then I would say for the outcome it's actually worth the stress.